Hey, you're okay. Want to see him, Jess?
He's gonna be okay?
Look at him.
Well, he looks terrified.
Hey, buddy. Why don't you fly away?
Cute as heck, though.
Go ahead. Fly away. You can fly or no? Come on.